Why the deep ocean creates monsters, not animals. There is a place on Earth where sunlight has never touched. A world older than forests. Deeper than mountains are tall. Down here, shape loses meaning. Eyes grow too large, mouths open too wide. And the creatures that live here don't look like animals at all. They look like mistakes, like monsters. But this isn't fantasy. This is the deep ocean, and it doesn't create animals the way we expect. It creates something else entirely. The journey begins as light fades. At about 200 meters down, the ocean enters twilight. Colors disappear. Red vanishes first, then yellow, until everything is swallowed by blue darkness. Below this point, vision becomes unreliable. So life adapts. Fish grow eyes far larger than their bodies. Not to see clearly, but to catch the faintest trace of movement. Some eyes look upward, others sideways, watching a world where danger can come from anywhere. And then, light returns. Not from the sun, but from the creatures themselves. Cold blue flashes, soft pulses in the dark. Living lights used to hunt, to confuse, to lure. Scientists still don't know how many creatures use light in ways we've never seen. Every new dive reveals signals without clear meaning. If light is language down here, how much of the conversation are we missing? As we descend deeper, the ocean becomes heavy. At 1,000 meters, the pressure is crushing. Every square inch of your body would feel the weight of a car. Deeper still, it becomes the weight of airplanes. Bones should break, cells should collapse, but deep-sea creatures don't fight the pressure. They surrender to it. Their bodies are soft, flexible, almost fragile. No rigid bones, no air-filled spaces, nothing for pressure to destroy. The blobfish isn't broken. It's perfectly designed for this world. But there's a cost. Bring these creatures to the surface, and they fall apart. Their bodies lose shape because they were never meant to exist here. Are they adapted, or trapped by the world that shaped them? Food grows scarce the deeper we go. No sunlight, no plants. Everything depends on what falls from above. Tiny scraps drifting down like snow. Sometimes nothing arrives for months. So mouths grow larger. Stomachs stretch beyond reason. Teeth point inward, make an escape impossible. The gulper eel swallows prey larger than itself. Anglerfish wait motionless for days, conserving every bit of energy. Some deep-sea creatures may survive on a single meal for years. How slow can life become, and still be alive? At extreme depths, the rules of biology begin to blur. Some creatures have transparent heads. Others lose symmetry entirely. Reproduction becomes unsettling. Male anglerfish fuse to females, no longer separate beings, but living extensions. Evolution here isn't about beauty. It's about survival at any cost. Scientists still don't know why some adaptations go so far beyond necessitate. They become unrecognizable. At the deepest parts of the ocean, the world feels alien. Freezing temperatures, crushing pressure, total darkness, and yet life persists. Worms grow near underwater vents. Eyeless fish glide through black water. Creatures that feel more like experiments than animals. We've explored less of the deep ocean than the surface of the moon. Most deep-sea species have been seen only once. Some never alive. And this is the unsettling truth. What we call monsters may be the rule. Everything familiar may be the exception. The deep ocean doesn't create monsters to scare us. It creates them because it must. In a world without light, warmth, or mercy, life adapts until it becomes something else. And as strange as these creatures are, they are real. They are alive. They are thriving far beyond our reach. The deeper we look, the smaller we feel that because beneath the surface of our own planet, there is still a world watching us back.